Welcome to watch the video of decision tree algorithm. Here we are going to construct a decision tree for loan approval. So we are provided with three features: the credit score, income level and loan amount. So with the help of these three features, we are going to construct a decision tree. So decision tree is a supervised machine learning algorithm and it comes under the classification. So here the main features are credit score, income level and loan amount. So it is classified into three attributes: high, medium, low. Okay. Then income level is also high, medium, low, and loan amount is also high, medium, low. Okay. So the target variable is loan approved, whether yes or no. So this means that it is a classification based algorithm. So the first step is to understand the given data set. So from the given data set, we splitted the different features and the attributes present in them. Then in step 2, we have to choose the best splitting attribute to find the root node. So here the first splitting is by credit score. Okay. So here in the credit score, we are having three attributes. One is high and another one is medium and another one is low. Okay. So for these three attributes, how many yes and no? Okay. So for the credit score high, we are having 2 loan approved as yes. So 2 yes, and there will be no no's. Okay. When the credit score is high means there will be loan approved is yes only. There will be no no's. Okay. So 0 no. Then for credit score, when it is medium means it is in mixed state, which means for one condition it is approved and for another condition it is not approved. So 1 yes and 1 no. Then when the credit score is low means it will be loan will not approved. So 0 yes and 2 no's. Here these two are the clear state, but this one is the mixed state. Okay. Now come to the next attribute. Here we are going to split up by income level. So when the income level is high means we are having 2 yes. Okay, so it is a clear state. Then when the income level is medium means we are having 1 yes and 2 no's. Okay, so it is in of the mixed state. So when the income level is low means is not getting loan approval. So it is no. Okay, so it is somewhat a clear state. Okay, the third case is splitting by loan amount. So loan amount also has three attributes: low, medium and high. So when the loan amount is low means we are having 2 yes and 1 no. So it is also a mixed state. Okay. So then the loan amount is medium means 1 yes and 1 no. So it is also a mixed state. So finally when the loan amount is high means then the loan will not get approved. So this is all somewhat correct. So we should find which one will be the correct root node. So compared to all the three features, this credit score it holding a high amount of possibilities. So when the credit score is high means the loan is approved, and when the credit score is low means the loan is not approved. So here we can get a clear idea. So we can take this credit score as a root node. Okay, so root node plays a major role in this decision tree algorithm. So the credit score is high means they will approve. If the credit score is low means they will not approve. Then the third condition is the credit score medium. So if the credit score is medium means at that time we should compare them with the next higher level of income level. So compared to income level and the loan amount, this income level hosts the high level of entropy. So we should choose this medium of income level. So in the income level we are having two categories. So one is high. Okay, if it is high means yes. Okay, because here you can see when the income level is high means the loan has been approved. Okay, so directly they will approve. And in some cases when the income level is either medium or low, the loan will not get approved. So this is a simple decision tree construction. So when the credit score is mainly plays a vital role in this loan approval formula. So when the credit score is high, he will get the loan. Low means he will not get the loan. And in rare cases, if it is medium means then they should check the next level, which is income. They have taken the next feature as income. So the income has So three attributes, high, medium and low. So when the income is high means they approve the loan easily, or else they reject the loan. Then now we compare this decision rules derived from the tree. So if the credit score is high means they approved the loan. The credit score is high means they approved the loan. If it is medium means they check the income. Then finally, if the income is high means loan is approved. So the income is medium or low means loan is not approved. Okay. At the same time, if the credit score falls under low means at that time itself they have rejected the loan. So this is how we construct a decision tree. So we are given with one new data and find out whether the loan approved is yes or no. So here you can see this is one example. Credit score is medium and the income is medium and the loan amount is low. Then for this, whether the loan is approved or not, that we should find out. So now from the tree we can easily see the credit score is medium means then we should check with the income. What about the income? The income is medium and the loan amount is also low. So when the income is medium means automatically the loan approval will get cancelled. So it is a condition of loan. So thanks for watching the video. This is how we can construct a decision tree for the given data set.